Hello English world. I'm Olivia. Let's learn English together. Listen and repeat the words.
50 vegetables name. Carrot, potato, onion, tomato, cucumber, bell pepper, lettuce, spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, pumpkin, eggplant, garlic, cabbage, peas, green beans, sweet potato, asparagus, celery, corn, mushroom, radish, beetroot, kale, leek, turnip, parsnip, sweet corn, squash, avocado, chard, okra, artichoke, fennel, shallot, chili pepper, sweet onion, watercress, taro, kohlrabi, rutabaga, bamboo shoots, mustard greens, broccolini, bean sprouts, snow peas, chayote, sorrel, daikon radish.
Now it's your turn. Try to remember the words and name the pictures. Great! We're done. You did something good for your English today. Keep improving. Please subscribe to the Hello English World YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos. Goodbye.